Hello, so this is what we're building here. It is a 48-inch or a 50-inch metal brake. It's kind of a home-built project I'm putting together. It's some really thick, massive channel. I think it's 3/16. What I'm trying to do is cut in these really big hinges here. They've got a bolt that goes in here. So that's that. And when it's done, it looks like this. So you cut these little notches in here so it fits, and I'll show you how to weld it in a little bit. So after you weld your brake together on the hinge, you're probably going to notice that it binds a lot. What you need to do is grind and relieve the area that's not welded. And then once you do this with the Sawzall on a grinder and just clear these areas out, then you'll notice it works fine again. So here it is. Lay it on the table of this thing. And you just want to line it up, make sure you got clearance between your bolts and get it lined up right at the seam. Yeah. So here it is. This is the finished product. It's a homemade metal brake, and so we've got some cool things here, but that's how it works. And that's it.